Okay, so hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Sorry for the delay. I had some technical difficulties right here. Today, um, this is Omar Valero. I'm your coach on digital marketing, on web building. And today, this video is going to talk about 10 plus 1 mistakes that people make when building a website, okay, and how to avoid them. So stick with me because we are going to learn a lot. I have some example right here to show you on my screen ready. And so let's go into it, right? Let me share my screen with you. While I'm sharing the screen, this is going to be right here. The first thing that the first mistake that you commit when building a website is it's about CTAs, right? What's a CTA? It's a call to action. Usually, when you're starting, you kind of build your website, your business. You put all the content together, the pictures, the copy, but you forget that your traffic need to make an action. Okay, CTA is a call to action. I want to show you this website right here that is on my screen. This is for someone that asked me for some help to kind of boost their website, right? This is an e-commerce. As you see, there is no call to action at all in this website. So when I land here, let's say I'm a buyer, right? And I land on this website and I don't know what to do. I absolutely don't know what to do. Okay, I have some moving picture right here, but there's no text, no buttons where I can click to commit an action to buy something. You need to tell people, right, what to do in order to make an action. And this is that most people forget when they are starting. It's really important. Without an action, your traffic just doesn't convert, right? Um, Point number two, and it's also related with this website, is have a difficult navigation. A confused mind is is a mind that doesn't buy, right? So same here. If I need to click on multiple sites, multiple buttons in order to reach the product that I want to buy, most likely I won't buy it. Okay. For example, in this case, if I want to buy something, one or two, or I need to click on any of these buttons, or I need to scroll down here, maybe wonder if some of these are what I need, uh, let's say I want to see the latest news about these products, and then it's nothing right here. Uh, I can't I can see anything. Okay, I have some catalog right here, and then there's a ton of products right here without any sort of it's not sure this content is too much noise right here. You need to do something specific. You need to do something clear, right? Let's say, for instance, I have here the Screw Finance page. Okay, is precise. You have first and foremost you have call to actions. Start for free. Get started. It's a free 14-day trial. Click here, right? This is what this button says. Call to actions. This call to action repeat or over the place without too many being too salesy, right? But get started right here. Bit more content. Open your own store. Call to action. Make specific actions. Um, Give specific instructions to your traffic to make. Navigation. This is this is clean. Everything is, even when I land on this page, Everything that I need is right here in this first page. I don't need to click on multiple sites. I don't have any option to click. Actually, I just have start for free right here and get it started right here. I don't need to click anywhere else. And I see that this page is to create my website or funnel in minutes. So this is super specific. I need to click right here to get it started. That's it. It's clean. There's no noise right here that may confuse people, right? And the next, I'm going to remove the screen for a second. The next mistake that most people do, and this is something that I actually did when I was starting, is put too many ads on your site, right? When I started with a blog. I think is what like most people start online, putting some content together in a blog. And why? Because you can monetize a blog. You can put ads between the content related with your content, and if people click on those ads, you get a few cents, right? The more people you drive traffic to your site, the more people click, the more money you make. That's the idea. Well, let's say that when you are starting, you don't have any traffic. Okay, you don't have any traffic at all, so nobody's going to click on those ads, and the only thing that those ads make is have a really bad, a really poor user experience, right? If you scroll down your page, scroll down your blog, and you just see ads, and more ads, I'm going to just close the window and go to another place. So you are starting, right? You don't have a ton of traffic. You need to focus on the value that you give to your users instead of the money that you can make. So forget about ads, because that's only if, for instance, this our site. I'm going to share again the screen. There you go. You don't see any ad right here. Okay, this is pure value. Everything is value. You won't see, even if we create a blog around squirrel funnels, you won't see any ad. It's about the value that you give in the content that you put on your site. Okay, so forget about ads. Money can come from any other place. Okay, not for advertising. And at the end, for each click might be, you may make around 10 cents per click on an ad, depending on the niche also. So for a few cents, you are killing a lot of traffic. It's not worth it, okay? So the next thing that people commit, this mistake that people commit when they are starting, and this is also something that I make when I was starting, is have a terrible hosting. When you are starting, you look for the cheapest thing on the market just to, have something rolling, have something to put some content out there. For instance, I started with a WordPress blog, and that's not the best hosting at all, right? So let me click right here. What a good hosting makes is boost your loading speed of the page, right? All over the world, the globe. So when someone click on your link, if they instantly see your content, it's much more likely that they are going to stay on the website than if they need to wait for 10 seconds to load the page. Okay, same my experience again. I was building a blog on WordPress, and it looks terrific, right? But it took like 12 seconds to fully load the page. When you have some content in a few seconds, to fully load the page was like 12 seconds. Imagine what happened. I didn't have any traffic at all. The bounce rate was huge, right? And the bounce rate is people that click on the link of your site and then go back because they don't see enough value, right? They instantly go back. That's what make a terrible hosting with your website. For the record, ScribbleFunnels host all the pages on Amazon, which is the fastest host out there. So if you build your website inside Scribble funnels, be sure that you're going to have a really good hosting for your website. Related with this point number 5 is choose the wrong content management system, right? For instance, if you are building a funnel, why choosing, for example, a WordPress site, a site built on WordPress? WordPress is great for blogs. I don't have anything against WordPress. It's a great platform for blogs, but it's not built for funnels. So you need to add a plugin on your WordPress in order to have this kind of funnel strategy, right? That makes that your page will load slower, and that kills the user experience, right? Find a funnel builder, a specific design for building funnels. Same happens with websites. If you want to have a beautiful website, just don't go to WordPress because it's going to have a really lazy speed. Go to something specifically designed for websites, right? Or for blogs. If you want to build a blog, don't go to Wix because Wix is not designed for blogs. Find something that is better for building a blog. On our design on our platform, Scribble Funnels, you can build funnels, you can build websites, you can build an e-commerce and blogs, and everything is so really good automated. Okay, so it's an all-in-one without sacrificing anything in each platform. Still, if you just want a blog, go for a WordPress. Is what I recommend. Okay, you need to choose our platform. WordPress is the best. For the rest, website funnels, e-commerce, or website with a blog, or a funnel with a blog, etc., etc. Script funnel is your best options. Point number 6 on the list. 6 out of 10, or 10 plus 1. No web analytics. Websites, it's marketing. Okay, it's a piece of marketing on your marketing strategy. Marketing is about testing. If you don't test and you don't read the information on those tests and commit actions according to those tests, it's just a waste of time and money. Okay, so you need to have some sort of analytics on your website. Doesn't mean that you need to have a huge platform or a super professional platform to run your analytics. You can go for free to Google Analytics, or for instance, let me show you this. On your Scribble Funnel website, you can go to your dashboard, for example. If you are on your website, let's click on the dashboard and give it a few seconds to load. You can go to your dashboard, and you have here basics analytics for your website. With this, it's more than enough in order to choose what to make. Okay, in order to boost some pages, in order to change, in order to make some actions according to the traffic that you have, right? Same with the funnels. In the funnel, and you, for example, click on a funnel. This funnel is not yet built, but I will show you right now. Here in the funnels option, there you go. You can have some analytics on your funnel. Okay, when you are driving traffic to this, you will see on each step how many people is converting to the next step, and so on. And if you have 10 steps on your funnel, you will receive information from each step, so you know exactly where to take an action. Okay, put some analytics on your website in order to know what to do, right? Next point, point number 7, and actually I want to show you with this example I have right here. Okay, is point number 7 is having low quality images. Low quality images means low quality product, right? So, for instance, if I go to the catalog, for example, of this page, let's say that I made through the noise on this page and I kind of reach the catalog. I know what I'm looking for, what to build, and I see this picture a few moments ago. Okay, like pictures with white watermark, pictures with a bad background removed. I mean, which tells me that this is not professional at all, and I don't have any reason to buy from them. So if I see this, most probably I will just click the cross uh, and customer lost, right? So invest a little in having good pictures. It's not that bad. It's not that hard, right? With each camera, with any camera on your phone, you can make a really beautiful picture. For example, my phone have 40 megapixels on the rear camera. You can make beautiful pictures with this phone, and this is not crazy expensive, right? Thing happen if you want to remove the background from your pictures. Use someone that knows how to do it. I mean, don't just upload the first thing that you have in your hand. Just invest a little bit on putting those best images on your website. On the opposite, don't put really big pictures because that's going to slow down your page, and you're going to kill traffic just from that. Just regular pictures with a good quality will be more than enough to have a good user experience, to have something attractive, right? Once again, let's, for instance, um, go to my site, to Screw Funnels. Let's go back. Website, Screw Funnels, and take a look at these pictures, right? And we use mostly free tools to create our images. So you can use exactly the same tools. We use Canva. You don't need to use Photoshop, or you don't need to use Illustrator. Just regular images, right? From this Canva tool. You have here a really good quality picture that I can enlarge if I want, but in this size is more than enough, and you don't see the background. Is perfectly right here. Some vector created, some picture with a background right here, more picture right here with a good quality. It's large, it's good, it's perfect. So you need to invest a lot to have good quality pictures and to have something attractive to your traffic, right, to your leads. The more they stay on your website, the more likely is that they will convert into leads and customers, right? So the idea is to make them stay right here with attractive content and attractive images, okay? So point number 8, and this is also really important for each step of your project, is having a poor SEO. Which is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. Okay, so is made up your website in order to rank on Google, Bing, Yahoo, the different search engines, right? Even on YouTube, Facebook, etc. And how you make that? Well, first and foremost, doing some research, right? When you are writing your content, you need to research on the different search engines, what keywords are being searched, and embed that onto your content. And also, you need to make some SEO, some backend SEO on your website. WordPress is really good on this, especially for blogs, as you have a ton of content. But for regular website, you just need to put some keywords on your titles, name your images, and the meta tags of your website. Okay, so go to your page ACO in this case, and in your meta description, write something that people may search on Google, for example. Okay, and you have that option right here also on Scribble funnels. And if you want to know a bit more about ACO, ACO is could be a science, right? And a really long extended video. So if you want to know a bit more about ACO, just leave a comment below, and we will make a video about this, a bit more in-depth video about ACO. Okay. Next point number 9 on the list is have irregular updates. This goes especially for blogs. If you're building a blog, it's a great idea in order to get organic traffic. Organic traffic comes from not paid traffic. But if you create an article, okay, a post on your blog, and I see that blog, I see that post, and I like it, and then it came up a few days later, and I don't see any other content, any new content, I will lose interest and just lose your blog. Okay, forget about your blog. But if you keep consistently creating content on your page and market that content, most likely I will go back to your blog and read that content, and eventually I will become a lead. Eventually I will become a customer. Okay, it's about consistency. Same happen with YouTube. Same happen with any other organic strategy. Okay, you need to be consistent on putting content out there and marketing that content. So be consistent, plan your videos, and keep posting. Okay, maybe you don't have any traffic at the beginning. Maybe you don't have any views on your videos. That actually doesn't matter, because I have views on my YouTube channel from 1 year ago. Okay, from videos that I posted 1 year ago, and on that moment I didn't have any view. So just be consistent on posting out there, and eventually you will drive traffic to your offer. Okay. Point 10 out of 11. We're almost there, guys. No contact information. If I don't know, for instance, in this example right here, if I don't know how to contact you, if I have any question and you don't answer me that questions, you just, again, you have just lost a customer, right? In this case, yeah, they have some contact links right here, but when I click on any of these links, what I see is a form, okay? And God knows how long it will take to answer this form, right? This request. Just embed a chat, okay? An instant chat that if you are the business owner, you are the owner of the page, you receive that notification instantly, and then you reply instantly. Okay, so the more time people spend on your website, once again, the more likely they are going to buy from you. So in our case, in Scribble Funnels, we have a chat support, an almost instant chat support. If you click right here and leave your question, in a matter of minutes, you will receive an answer. And if you close this window, for example, if you close the Scribble Funnels, you will receive the answer on your email. Okay, so you will need to come back to my site, to Scribble Funnels, and see the answer, right? So this is called instant gratification. Okay, so when your traffic asks for something, you should give them that instantly with a contact chat, instant chat on your site, or with a lead magnet. Okay, where they leave the email and the name, and they receive instantly that that information. Okay, and my last point to mistake that people commit when they are starting, and I kind of talk about this before is let me make something right here is A/B testing. Okay, once again, a website is a marketing piece of your business. If you don't test, you don't know what is working and what is not. So you can't change anything and out- outperform your actual information, right? For split testing, in this case, on the case of Google funnels, you can go to your funnel and split test a page and change something here or there on each page and excuse me, and select how much traffic do you want um, for each test and take a decision, in accordance to those results. Okay, so for instance, if I want to know if a start for free is a good call to action, or maybe some other call to action. Let's say free trial. Okay, what I will do is split test this page and put a 50-50 traffic on this experiment, on this test. If I have better results with free trial than with start for free, I will instantly change that to my goal, to my best results. Okay, so these are a few um, tricks for you, a few pitfalls that uh, people used to commit when they are starting on their own website. And just to make a quick summary, okay? Point number one, call to actions. Point number two, avoid difficult navigation. Point number three, don't use any ad on your website. It's not it's pointless. Point number four, use a good hosting for your website. Point number five, choose the correct platform to put your website. Okay, blog with Wix, no, website in WordPress is pointless. Point number six, use web analytics. Okay, you need to know what is happening with your website. Okay, you might discover um, some powerful things just by having some basic analytics on your website and commit an action and according to that, and just boost your traffic because of that. Okay. Point number seven is avoid low quality images. Low quality images means poor performance of your traffic. Okay, build something um, attractive visually. Point number eight, poor SEO. Avoid poor SEO. Just with some basic SEO, you will see that your traffic is just boosted because of that. Make some research on your keywords and put that keywords inside your titles, inside your content if you're building a blog. In your videos, and just with that, Google, Bing, Yahoo will know that your content is good, and they will promote that content to your traffic, okay, to your audience. Point number nine is be consistent. Be the most consistent possible. Okay, even if you don't have traffic at the beginning, even if you don't have any views at the beginning, just keep posting and keep marketing that content. Okay, eventually you will drive traffic exactly where you want it to be. And then give some contact information. Give me a way to contact you and ask questions and receive that answers immediately. A chat bubble is the perfect option for you. You have different options out there for free. Once again, if you want to know more about this, just leave a comment below and we will show you how you can make that. And my 10 plus 1, my 11, is A/B testing. Test everything you can and make an action according to those results. Okay. So this is all for today, guys. If you have any question about this, if you are watching this later on a replay, just leave us a hashtag replay, and of course make any question that you like, any comment. Um, we will we'll receive that um, and answer your everything that you need on both Facebook, YouTube, or in scriberfunnels.com. If you go to the chat, we will answer you as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for today. See you tomorrow on another morning call. Bye.